Dumelang Lindlords, this is your girl Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back, Ngotando Nestembu, and we are going to talk about the conversation Umayeni had with Umtombeni. I just like to start by saying Umusa has wronged the wives in so many ways. However, under no circumstances was the said things to him understandable or logical. So now, siqale ngoMayeni ne. Umayeni's pain is valid. Girl, mina understand where she's coming from, and I understand ukuthi esumama uzele, it would pain you to be sidelined, more especially if uyazi ukuthi umama okhulisa abantwana and the father is there, but like he's always busy, he's always there and there, and you are the primary person, that instills discipline, guidance, and but when things happen, the very child that you groomed and hoped you would be a better child, or whatever your hopes were with the child, disregards everything and goes to this man, and they go behind your back to lobola, and there's a wife ongamazi wena ozozwa ukuthi sekushadiwe, right? But with that said, I feel ukuthi uAmahle did nothing wrong, and I'm not saying ukuthi akamamukele with open arms and stuff, but I'm saying ukuthi she should not be punished together with her child simply because of the things that Sibindi and the father did, more especially because umama khona can still have a relationship no Sibindi. They are good with Sibindi, but why then sideline or Amahle as if Amahle lobolat herself or understood the situation thereof? The reason why I'm saying this is that the Mama Zala and Makoti relationship is broken by a lot of things, and this being one of them, because Amahle, if she's not well level-headed, she is going to feel that resentment to say, why is this one put on a pedestal and why am I rejected? Because Yena, she would not know the background. It's only now on this season, in these months, that she will understand, which, oh, ukuthi ngingathandwa, it is this and that and that and that and that. Ukuthi ngingafunwa, it is this and that and that and that and that. But I feel ukuthi uMayeni should have extended an olive branch and said, girl, I have nothing against you. There are things that Umusa and Umpilo have not Umpilo, Usbindi, that did not do right, and therefore until they sort those things out, I'm going to hold you at an arm's length. It is not to punish you, but it's to set my son straight, so that when my son does the same thing again, he knows what would be the consequences. When the time is right, I will call my grandchild, I will meet my grandchild, and me and my grandchild will have that relationship. Hopefully there will not be a lot of lost time. We will have enough time to bond, and I will have enough time to be a grandmother that your child deserves. That's it, according to me, when it comes to Amahle, because Amahle did nothing wrong. And even though Usibindi did all these bad decisions, she is still able to live with Usbindi and love Usbindi. She is still able to live with Umusa and love Umusa, because the fact that she's still there and she still supports him is because of she loves Umusa and she's still there. But she's sidelining Amahle based on things that Amahle does not know. But also, Umayeni, her feelings are very valid. They are very valid because at the end of the day, uSibindi betrayed trust yakhe, and this trust maybe will come back after a long time. And Umayeni makabona Amahle every time, ubona that constant reminder yokuthi my son betrayed me just to marry this lady. And also, Umusa said, you've got abomakoti about two. Does this mean now Utirelo has been lobolet, or we are going to have to wait to see Izingani Tembu to see that happen? And if that's the case, I love how secretive they are, guys. Other reality stars, like, they show us what happened before we can even watch the show, which becomes boring sometimes. But urong omkhulu awuyenzile Umayeni is the statement yokuthi uMseleku ufuna ukulala no Amahle. That was a wrong statement. That was just wrong, and disrespectful not only to uMusa but also to Amahle, considering ukuthi uAmahle akekho kule picture, aka understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then she does not even know ukuthi uMusa is advocating for her at the same time. So to me, yes, siyamthanda uMayeni, but this was uncalled for. This was rude of her. This was disrespectful of her to speak like that about another child. We always speak about girls having each other's backs, and more especially in this case, because uAmahle did nothing wrong. Ugirl uhambile wayolotsholwa, which she also agrees ukuthi uAmahle actually did nothing wrong. It is the production and uMusa Mseleku. I liked that she called out the production to say, if it was you doing this, benizwenzani? And she's saying, in an event where you even try to bring Amahle with the plan yokuthi you want to make peace, ngiseshabeni ngizojikijela yonke into ngamatshe. Yay, again, it's not going to work out. I'm going to sort each and every person out, because at the end of the day, le dladile ka nna and la nkira sephukupuku, la nkira moshi, la nkira tseki kangani. So I feel her pain is valid, but her words, girl is still bleeding a lot, and she needs help, and she needs direction, and she needs further therapy, more especially when it comes to how she speaks. I personally love Umayeni, but I was not happy with how she spoke about Amahle, because this is the generation that is supposed to break this toxic mamazala and makoti type of situation, and it looks like in this instant it might continue being this bitter ntonton. Now, my question is, when the time is right and when they have mended things, is Amahle expected to just forgive based on what she has seen and let things be? Or is she also allowed to say, I was hurt because of the rejection? Yes, I did not know why I was rejected. Yes, now I understand why I was rejected, but I was hurt nonetheless, because I felt Uguti I would be warmly accepted in this family, considering that others were warmly accepted. Yes, she did explain Uguti, I accepted others because I live with their children, and even when they come to see their children, they do say ukuthi siyeza sizobona abantwana, siyacela ukuzobona abantwana. But I wonder ukuthi how are they going to remedy the situation between yena no Amahle. Umthombeni, for that matter, yena ke angeke simzwele, because we know he says he was sick, but he allowed decisions to happen while he was sick, which also showed ukuthi naye he was not genuine about the whole thing. I don't know, guys. What do you think about the episode Yo Uthando Nesthembu? Was Mayeni right in everything that she said and in all her reaction? Or do you agree with me that the part yokuthi Amahle ufuna Umseleku ufuna Amahle, she could have just kept quiet and not went that far? She could have just let things go and not utter such words. Or do you think those words were valid? Do you think Uguti, based on the fact that Umthombeni is marrying a younger girl, i-2000, those words ziyamfanela vele? And if you agree, what then are you saying about Amahle? Are you saying ukuthi Amahle akanampatho, angakwazi ukwenza lokho nobabezala wakhe? Nah, because let us be honest, this did not only insult uMusa Mseleku, this also insulted uAmahle as a godchild. This also insulted uAmahle as a wife uSibindi. This also insulted uAmahle as a daughter. This also insulted uAmahle as a mother to her child. So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? But what are the consequences that uMusa Mseleku and uSibindi are getting in all this, considering that the person that is rejected is the very Amahle, and akafuni ukuzwa next uMayeni about what's going to happen? Hayi, ziyabuya bafethu, ziyabuya kuThando Nesithembu. When you comment, please do not comment with insults. Make it clear this is a sensitive issue, this is a sensitive story. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disewe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.